Today we are going to learn a simple program to check the number is prime or not. So this is my Jupyter notebook and we are gonna code a simple program to check if the number is prime or not. Okay. So सबसे पहले मैं फाइल का नाम prime or not. So simply आइडियोलॉजी क्या है जब भी कभी हम देखते हैं कि the number is prime or not. So simply prime number कौन सा number होता है? The number which is divided by itself and 1. The number is called as prime number. So कोई भी prime number जो अभी हमारे number system में है, the every prime number or the prime number is always greater than 1. या फिर कोई भी prime number less than 1 या फिर 1 नहीं हो सकता. 2 is prime, 3 is prime and the list goes on. So सबसे पहले हमारी जो पहली कंडीशन या फिर जो रूल हम अगर डिफाइन करने जाए तो the number less than or equal to 1 are not prime numbers. Okay, ये सिंपल है और इसी वजह से hence we check first the number is greater than 1. अगर ये कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई की उस नंबर ने अगर वो 1 से बड़ा है, the number is greater than 1, तभी हम आगे प्रोग्राम में उसे कंसिडर करेंगे, or else we will print that number is not prime. Okay, so the next part is if the number is exactly divisible by any number from focus here from 2 to number minus 1 to number minus 1, अगर हमें उस नंबर का 2 to number minus 1 के रेंज में अगर कोई भी फैक्टर मिलता है तो फिर ये प्राइम नंबर नहीं हो सकता. So if we factor, the number is not prime. Simple. Else number is prime. Just wait. Okay. पहले तो हम I think मैंने आइडियोलॉजी डिस्कस कर ली है. So now we'll jump to the code. Okay. So first we'll take an input from user and treat it as integer. Enter the number. Okay. Just I'll write the comments also. Take input from user. Next is check num is greater than 1. So if num greater than 1, if the condition is true, then we'll check for factors of that number in the range 2 to num minus 1. So by default num. Then again we check if num is divided by I, any iterable from that range. The modulus is, if the modulus is 0, then print num is not a prime number. I hope this is very clear that how the program goes, how we are checking, and how the nested if is working. Right? Focus here. First, we have checked that the number is greater than 1. Then only it check for the factors in the range from 2 to num minus 1. Right? So, for simplicity, if 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 the factor is present, or if we got the factor, then we'll print I times num floor division I will be the factor. Just think here for 2 more minutes and focus that what's happening. And when we will got any factor of that number, we'll break the for loop. Okay. Else, simple, print num is a prime number. Okay. And we have to close the root if condition here. Else, print num is not a prime. Why? Because if number is not greater than 1, that means the number is equal to 1 or less than 1. So the base rule that number less than or equal to 1 are not primes. So else condition is defining that we have checked number is greater than 1. Then if the number is greater than 1, then we check for factors. Factors from where? From the range 2 to number minus 1. If we find a factor which gives modulus 0, then we print that the number is not prime, and the I times, which means any number times that number floor division, the number which will give, I'll show the example, is num, right? And whenever we got the factor, we break the loop and the for loop ends. Okay, so I'll just run this. I think the program is very right. So if we check for the first prime number, say 11, okay, yeah, so it's printing 11 is a prime number for numerous times. Okay, I can shift this else condition, because in the for loop, every time while checking this condition till I, from the range 2 to going till 10, the number checks it 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Till 11, the number checks it 11 times. So I'll just shift this else outside, and this will surely print yes, right? If the number is not prime, say 36. So focus here that what we are getting, 2 times 18 is 36, means the iterator I is 2 times num floor I. The number is 36, floor 2 is 18. 2 times 18. We have also shown a factor that this is the reason the 36 cannot be a prime number. Simple. Thank you.